Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be having a look at this brake fluid tester pen that I bought from Wish. So this pen allows you to test the quality of your brake fluid. Brake fluid itself is hygroscopic. That means it basically absorbs moisture and water from the atmosphere. So this pen will allow you to test whether it has absorbed water or not. If your brake fluid has absorbed water, then what happens is that water will basically expand inside your brake lines and give you uneven braking, and sometimes can lead to brake failure. So it's important to have good brake fluid in your car. So this pen allows you to test the quality of it and see whether it's good or not. The pen itself has a couple of LEDs along the edge of it. It has 5 LEDs, and on top of it it has a button. What this button does is you press it when you put it inside your fluid, and it will light up the LEDs based on how much moisture it detects inside the brake fluid. This pen takes one AAA battery, so it's quite easy to just grab a battery, chuck it in and use it. It's also got a little hook on it, so like a pen hook, so you could put it in your top pocket, or if you're a mechanic you could keep it on your person quite easily. So here we go, we will put a AAA battery in there, and you press the button which is on top of the pen once you've inserted the pen inside the liquid. When you press the button it will light up the LEDs. So at the moment it's just showing the green LED because it's not in any liquid, so it's just showing 0%. If it detects 1% moisture inside the liquid or less, then it will light up the second LED. If it's 2% it will be the third, if it's 3% it will be the fourth, and if it's 4% it will be the fifth LED. So basically what this will show is if there's too much moisture, it will let you know and tell you that you need to basically change your fluid. So here we're in my engine bay. We're removing the brake fluid reservoir cap, so just taking that off there. So here you can see on there it says brake fluid .3. So here's the pen. So we're going to remove the cap off the pen, and then we're going to insert the pen into the brake fluid reservoir. So we're going to put it in and then press the button, and there you can see it's lit up the first LED. So it looks like all the other ones are lighting up on camera, but in reality it's just the illumination just coming through to the other LEDs. But in person the first 2 LEDs are only shining. So that tells me that I've got less than 1% or less moisture in my brake fluid, which is absolutely fine and good to use. Anything which is above 2% you should change, and anything above which is 4% you definitely need to change. So here you can see my brake fluid is good. I know my brake fluid is good as well because I had recently changed it only a couple of 100 miles ago. But that's the end of the video. A nice quick test. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this pen, and if you want me to actually test how good this pen works and how accurate it is, I'm thinking about doing another video on that later. So let me know if you're interested in that, and I'll hopefully see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.